Hello guys, it's me Divakar here, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain you guys what is really data type is and what is really variables are. And in the previous tutorial I taught you guys what are really class and objects, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys what are data types. So let us get in guys. So the first thing is, data types are like a containers, so you can put some values in that and store them. So it's like that guys. So for example, give an example here. Int my number is equal to, let us say 5. So I'm going to store this 5 value inside this my number container. So I can use this thing my number anywhere inside my class and anytime I want. So I don't have to declare 5 everywhere. So this is the major advantage of declaring a data type guys. And next one is, so public boolean, and yep, my bool is equal to true. So yep guys, so boolean variables are like they will store some boolean values, true or false. So for example, if true, execute some code, if false, execute another code. It's like that guys. So for that scenarios only we use much of those things. And next one is public character. My character is equal to, can quite a single quote. So characters always on the single quote guys, remember that. And the next thing is, you can also pass an ASCII code into that, and you can specify a character for that. Next one is public float. My float is equal to 4.5. Yep. So as you can see guys, float can store a float value, so you can use that value anywhere inside the class. And the next one is public double. My double is equal to 4.6. So D. So why I'm specifying D here? So the main difference between float and double is, so double takes decimals as values, so whereas float takes only float. So that is the major difference between them guys. And the next thing is, we have more 3 data types, that is byte, short and long. So I'm not going to use them more, and so I'm not going to teach those things, and can always refer some documents guys. I have already linked in my description. So other than that guys, let us discuss about the variables. So whatever I have declared here, so above, I mean inside the class but outside the methods, so these variables are nothing but instance variables, you can say. So that means if you, whatever the variables we are declaring outside any method and outside any constructors are nothing but instance variables. And for example, if I declare inside a method, what happens if I declare int my number and 6? When I say this, so this will become a local variable for me, local variable. So why this is a local variable? Because it is declared within these 2 braces. I mean this is within this method. So even though this and this has same name, but they are declared within different phases. For example, this is declared within the main method and this is within the class. So that's why this becomes an instance variable and this becomes a local variable. So whenever you write any code using this my number variable, so that will become a local variable and the value becomes 6. So if you write any code outside of this method, and the value will always be 5. So this is nothing but instance variables guys and local variables. So these variables are also known as global variables, you can call. And we have a static variable. So before declaring any type, you declare static behind them, so they will become a static variable. Static is nothing but I have already explained in the previous tutorial, so you don't have to create an object for calling them. So this is it guys for this tutorial. If you really like this tutorial, please do like and subscribe guys, and thank you. Bye bye.